Yes, I am filming this the same day as my monthly favorites. Yes, London is raining for some odd apparent reason. Yes, I am a productive queen. Ding! Hello, I'm Styleboy and welcome to my world. Woo, and in today's video, I will be showing you my June spread for my bullet journal. So basically, this kind of month's theme isn't really a theme. It's just me being creative and kind of expressive because I call this like my revival month because kind of like last month, as I've said in my monthly favorites, I've been really stressed with schools and exams and just stuff like that. And I've been so disorganized and I've noticed some patterns that I've realized that are very unhelpful. Like, for example, one of them is pre-planning. Like, I can't do this thing where you like pre-plan a week because if I show you what I've done for like a couple of the pre-plans, nothing. That's why I have decided to do it bi-weekly. So I want you guys to comment down below if I should do this at the end of every month or if you still want it at the beginning. But I do hope you enjoy this and make sure you are subscribed to my channel because we've got some real cool content coming up. So I do hope you enjoy it. Also, can we just thumbs up for my nails? Like, look how pretty they are. But I think we should get started with the video. Let's begin. So obviously, as I've said, that June is kind of my revival / creative explosion month. So as you could kind of tell, I wrote the Selena Gomez revival song quote. This is my revival, ding, ding, ding. I've then done this June thing, which has actually been inspired by another bullet journaler. Honestly, Instagram bullet journalers are honestly the best. I literally just look at their stuff and I'm like, how? Then I took these flowers, they were from Pinterest and they were like a tattoo actually. So I kind of did it my own and I really like this cover page. I just think it's so beautiful. I haven't like doodled in a long while, so this was such a nice way to just let my creative freedom flow. Then the next page was my calendar, which I've already seen like one Pinterest thing did this, but honestly I've never seen it done this way that much. And I know that I wanted this month because I had a lot of stuff to do, and just in case I have to write like goals and like this and that, I wanted to make sure it was this way. So I done so. I added these star things that Soph done for me, and I drew in with my new super tip pens, which are brilliant by the way, June, and I've done it this way. I don't know, I really enjoy it, and I think it's so beautiful and pretty, but so clean and colorful, and I don't know, I really enjoy it. I just think it works so well. Now, the next one is actually inspired by another bullet journaler. Her name on Instagram is Coffee Milk without the I, and honestly, her stuff is so cute. And I got really inspired by like the loads of like lines that she does. So this is my half-term goals because I technically did start this in the end of May. So I've done what I need to do this half-term in this stage, and I did this how I'm gonna do it. Because usually I actually forget even how to put it. So I've done it like this with a checklist and all of the same colors to make sure that they still link. And I really enjoy this, and I think it's so beautiful and pretty, and I just really like it. And then finally, we've got this double page spread, which is inspired by another bullet journaler. His name is The Lame Journal, and I think honestly, his stuff is amazing. And I got inspired by one of his spreads, and I think it was like Harry Potter-esque spread. So I kind of got inspired by like the bubble letters here and the line and the little cartoons to do my own version with these lines as well, but make it my own. So instead I stuck down these pictures that I didn't use last month, but I put it here, and I think it works so well. It looks so cute and like minimal, but not like to the extent of like it's boring. It's still super cute and girly, and I absolutely love it so much. I think this is honestly one of my favorite spreads for the whole entire year so far because it's very personal, and I love that so much. But I will be doing it every week as something different. So if you would rather prefer me to do these at the end of the month just so you can see what I've done, comment down below. Or if you'd actually still like it at the beginning, it's just up to you, whatever you want. That's my bullet journal for you. I do hope you enjoyed the video, and comment down below any theme suggestions you have for the next month. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share. You know what to do, and I shall see you guys very soon. Cheers, adios, goodbye.